एवरीवन, वेलकम टू गुरवरिया एकेडमी। दोस्तों, आज के इस सेशन में आपके सेकंड यूनिट में से फिफ्थ पोएम ऑटोमन इस पोएम का वर्कशॉप देखने वाले हैं। तो फिर चलिए वर्कशॉप की ओर बढ़ते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फाइंड थ्री लाइंस ईच दैट कंटेन इमेजेस ऑफ नेचर दैट इन द ऑटोमन सीजन इन डे टाइम with nodding rice stems in her hair. Second, the flowers of grasses she is glad. Birds greet her with their cooing glad. Next, at night, a diadem adorns the night. Her silken robe is white moonlight of multitudinous stars. Next question, question number second. Okay, now move towards the second question. Pick out words from the poem that describes the following. List them in column A. Substitute each of those describing words with another word phrase of the same meaning. A poetic words be your own words. The Ottoman, the maiden fair, a young girl, stars, diadem, crown, moonlight, silver robe, silver garments, cooing of birds, tinkling of bracelet, sounds of ornament. Question number 3. Find one example of each of the following from the poem. Smile, birds greet her with their cooing glad, like bracelets tinkling song. Metaphor, her silken robe is white moonlight. Next, question number 4. Write the rhyme scheme of the poem. Refer to the language study pages. Answer. Rhyme scheme of the poem is A B A B C D C D E F E F G H G H. Next question, question number 5. Think and write in your own words. First, why is the maiden Ottoman said to wear rice stems in her hair? Answer. With the onset of Ottoman, rice plantation with their fresh stems are fascinating to look at, and that's why the poet says the maiden Ottoman wears rice stems in her hair. Next one, how can the tender maiden Ottoman become a full-grown woman? What change in nature does this imply? Answer, with the advent of Ottoman, there are several changes in the season. Plants shed their leaves at the beginning of the season, but towards the end of the season, plants start fruiting. The brightly lit evening moon and clear sky help the farmer harvest their crops, birds nest, and raise their young ones, so nature becomes completely bountiful and natural. Next question, why do you think birds greet the autumn season gladly? Answer, birds greet the autumn season gladly as it is the favorable season for them to nest and raise their young ones. Question number 6, compare the Indian monsoon season to a powerful king of prosperous kingdom. Write down a few similarities, use them to compose a poem of your own. The similarities between Ottoman and prosperous king are as follows. First, the reign brings happiness and prosperity to the people doing agriculture activities, which is similar to that of king, bringing prosper and growth in his kingdom. Next point, we will say that is the farmer depends on the rain for his agriculture work, which guarantees his economic stability. Similarly, a poor man depends on the king for his livelihood. Next, last one, the raindrops falling from the sky glitter just like emeralds in the kings. Next, use them to compare poem of your own. King protects his people with armor, showering rain, monsoon protect his farmer. King makes subject life, peace and culture. Monsoon gives livelihood to people by agriculture. A king is considered to be kingdom's god. Monsoon plays the role of lord. Next question 7, which is your favorite nature poem from your mother tongue. Write the poem and try to translate it into English. Your translation can be in the form of poem or paraphrase. पेड़ लगाओ हरा भरा जीवन बनाओ छाया ये हमको देता है फल ये हमको देता है बाढ़ से हमें बचाता है प्रदूषण दूर हटाता है ये पेड़ लगाएंगे संसार को हरा भरा बनाएंगे. Translated poem, plant trees, plant trees, create a green life. It gives us shade, it gives us fruit, it protects us from floods, it takes away pollution. We will also plant trees and make the world green. Question number 8. Read the Ode to Atimon by the famous poet John Keats, Season of Mist and Mellow Fruitlessness by John Keats. Season of Mist and Mellow Fruitlessness, close bosom friends of the maturing sun conspiring with him how to load and bless with fruit the vines that round the hatch gives run. to bend with apples and most cottage trees, and fill all fruit with ripens to the core, to swell the gourd and pulp the hazel shells with a sweet kernel, to set budding more and still more lighter flowers for the bees, until they think warm days will never cease. For summer o'er brim their clamming cells. Here we have completed the workshop of the Ottoman poem. I hope आपको यह समझ में इसी तरह से इस पोएम से रिलेटेड जो अदर वीडियोस है वो देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बाजू में दिख रहे बेल आइकन क्लिक कीजिए, वहां पे ऑल कीजिए ताकि आपको वीडियो के बारे में सभी नोटिफिकेशन मिलते रहे। तो इसी तरह से सभी क्लास के सभी सब्जेक्ट के वीडियोस एक ही जगह पे देखने के लिए प्ले स्टोर पे जाइए, गुरुवरिया एकेडमी सर्च कीजिए और हमारा एप्लीकेशन इंस्टॉल कीजिए। यह एप्लीकेशन सबके लिए बिल्कुल फ्री है। एप्लीकेशन इंस्टॉल करते समय अगर आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो तो हमारा जो ऑफिशियल नंबर है उस पर आप मैसेज कर सकते हैं ताकि हमारी टीम आपको एप्लीकेशन इंस्टॉल करने में मदद कर सके। इस एप्लीकेशन की लिंक आपको इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिलेंगे, वहां पे भी आप ज्वाइन हो सकते हो। हमारे कुछ सोशल मीडिया अकाउंट्स हैं, उनके भी लिंक्स आपको इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिलेंगे, वहां पे भी आप ज्वाइन हो सकते हो। इस एप्लीकेशन में हमने दिया है जिसके अंतर्गत आप आपके सभी डाउट्स आपके जो क्लासमेट्स हैं उनके साथ मिलकर ग्रुप डिस्कशन करके सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। वहाँ पे हमारे टीचर्स भी हैं, उनके साथ भी डिस्कस करके हम सब आपके सभी डाउट्स आप सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। तो इस सेशन में हम यहीं पे रुकेंगे, जल्द ही मिलेंगे अगले सेशन में नए वीडियो के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय दोस्तों, टेक केयर।